Hello, everyone. My name is Chuksojena. I'm currently the global CISO for the Brenta Group. The Brenta Group is a chemical distribution company. And in chemical distribution, we are petrochemical, we are pharmaceutical, we are food ingredients, and a strong stakeholder in the agro business. And as me, I have been in the cybersecurity industry for the past 16 years. I've played critical roles in information security and cybersecurity, strategic management, and building technical and organizational countermeasures in defending against threat actors. Come this October in Hawaii at Horizon Summit, I will be speaking on a topic dealing with escalating cyber attack. You and I know that you cannot poke into beehive and don't expect a sting. The cyberspace is a conglomerate of beehives, and anyone who plays in this field must get ready for the unexpected because cyber attack is a question of when, and when it happens, the time to come back matters a lot to the way your business cope thereafter. The Horizon Summit in Hawaii parades the cybersecurity technocrat and experts in the world. And I enjoin you to join us in this October at Hawaii, where experts, cybersecurity opinion leaders would be cross-pollinating ideas and preparing ourselves for the daunting task ahead. We collaborate, we work together, and we fight similar battles and face challenges together. I enjoin you to join us in Hawaii this October. Thank you, Horizon Summit, for bringing these great eggheads together. See you there. Bye.